Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So, if you have lots of opened apps at the same time, they may cause your device to work slower or to be lagging a lot. Different consequences, it depends on the number of apps you have opened, on condition of your device, but anyway, the best choice you have is to just close all the applications and have no applications opened at all. This will be the most healthiest way for your device to be. So in order to close all your applications at once, what you have to do? It depends on which navigation type you have. If you have 3 buttons here, you tap either on this one or on left one or on right one to access Recents section. Recent section is the section where you can see all of your opened apps. But if you have gesture navigation as me, what you have to do is to swipe and hold your finger like this. Here you can access Recents section. So as you can see here, I have some apps opened. In order to close them all at once, just tap on this cross icon and wow, all these apps closed. 230 megabytes of memory cleared, and yeah, everyone is happy now. So yeah, as you can see, no recent items. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.